Top of the day to you. Woo, man. I went from 3 to 17 work orders that quick. Like overnight. Bunch of crazy stuff. So you guys remember the leaks we had where the basement apartment was getting water in it from the 3rd floor? She's getting a leak again. Man, I've redone that bathtub. Anyways, and then the stripper girl is leaking back into the girl below her again. So let's go find out what's up with this stuff, man. Another glorious day. Have to go in there and see where this water's coming from again. There's standing water on that floor because they're taking this. The shower curtain's not even in. That shower curtain's not even inside the shower. That's a liner, not a shower curtain. You can see the water on the floor. It's that's what they're doing. They're taking a shower and no water. See if we can get it. See how the water's puddled? That was over to here. Well, that leak's coming from the tenant upstairs, you know. Now putting the shower curtain in, man, you saw the water all over the floor. It's getting to be ridiculous on that. It's just nonstop. Those two are bitching, or they're bickering back and forth. So, anyways, so we're back over here to apparently it's apartment B2, 2nd floor. She's got water running down the wall, and 3 does, or 1 does. So let's go back in there. We're good. It's going to be apartment 3 again. We have to go in there and check it out. Because what we find again. What's the odds on that one? That's funny, man. What's the odds on that? Springing a leak, man. That's just freaking hilarious, man. I told you, man. There's gremlins up underneath that bathtub. But we're gonna go get us a new P trap for that, or a new extension pipe and a rubber coupling. All right, so I've had to move this pipe. I had to put a new P trap on it, move the pipe, then put an extension on it, move the pipe again. Just bring the light on here for you to see it. Because each time the copper keeps splitting. I'll show it better when I get up to the car. You see it, copper just keeps splitting. So we're doing it again to see. Just let it run, see what happens. What I did was this was what was underneath the tub, and I cut it out because it had a split right there, and it was shooting water out. You can see how bad it just all messed up, right? So I did that and slid the new pipe inside of it, inside of here, and then we got a leak here that was 4 inches back farther, and then as soon as I put the coupling back on there, I found this. That copper's so freaking thin. All that back in that ceiling. But I got it all back together. Thank God. Got it all back together. Woohoo! Good times, brother, man. Good times. Got it all back together. No problem. Man, I hope that's the last time I can deal with that. Whew. What is that? 1, 2. That's the 4th time I've torn that apart. Every time I leave, it starts leaking again. That poor girl in the basement, she's gonna think I'm a freaking idiot. See, that's the only thing about that, man. I know what I'm doing, but when I get into something multiple times, then it makes me look bad. I guess that's kind of prideful. Whatever. Love you. That's the only thing about that, man. I hate that. I go out there and do the best I can, and then it leaks again, and that makes me feel like it makes me feel bad because they're depending on me to get this stuff fixed the first time. But man, I couldn't foresee that. But at least I kept messing with it enough that I found more splits in the pipe. But if it leaks again, I might have to take sealing out, because I'm back in the floor almost 1.5 feet, because I had to keep cutting the flooring out. So I hope and pray to God that I don't have to do it again. We got run over here to 810. They got no power. Oh. Turn breakers off, turn back on. Hey, see what's up with this. All good. The main breaker out back was tripped. It wasn't tripped all the way, it's about half tripped. No big deal. I'm gonna go to lunch, man. After lunch, we got filter changes in 74. That's gonna take the rest of the day. We'll see you guys.